This generally happens when you open a website, it automatically starts accessing your camera, microphone, and location in some cases. This is because you might have allowed them to do so previously. But you can still restrict these websites from gaining access to them in the future. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the process. First, we'll show you how you can restrict websites from different browsers. So, we'll start with Google Chrome. Open your browser, type this on the search bar and press enter. Now, under the permissions section, manually click on the camera, location, and microphone and toggle on the Don't Allow Sites to Use option. Now for Microsoft Edge, click on the settings icon on the bottom right of the page, select Cookies and Site Permissions. Under All Permissions section, manually select camera, location, and microphone and toggle off the Ask Before Accessing option. This will block the sites from accessing your camera, location, and microphone. And if you're a Mozilla Firefox user, click on the settings icon on the right, click on Manage More Settings, select the Privacy and Security section, scroll down the page. Now, under the Permissions section, click on the Settings button next to Camera, Location, and Microphone respectively. Now, tick the Block New Request Asking to Access option and click on Save Changes. Lastly, you can restrict access to your camera and microphone from Windows default settings as well. For this, open Settings, click on Privacy and Security, scroll down and under the App Permissions section, click on the Location option, scroll down and toggle off Let Desktop Apps Access Your Location option. Now, do the same for the camera and microphone as well. While these settings can help you avoid unnecessary sites gaining your access to camera, microphone, or location, some websites like shopping or food ordering apps may need them to provide a better browsing experience. So, before blocking all the sites, keep this thing in mind. And for more such content, keep following GetAssist.